Hello everyone, today we will make this flower design pendant. For making this I am using cotton thread, fabric glue, scissor, starch, jump ring and 2 mm silver color beads. I am using 11 number crochet hook, clip and jewelry chain. Let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet ring, two single crochet ring, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now connect to the first chain by slip stitch. One chain, one single crochet in same stitch. In next stitch, 2 single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet. So in this round we will make 2 single crochet in each stitch and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I will make double triple crochet. So 3 times thread on the hook and pass through same stitch. Now 2 stitches, 2 stitches, 2 stitches and 2 stitches. One more time double triple crochet in same stitch. Now 2 chain and make a little purl on top of double triple crochet. Make a slip stitch. Now double triple crochet again in same stitch. Again 2 chain, make a little purl on top by slip stitch. Again double triple crochet in same stitch. One, two, three, four chain and connect in same stitch by slip stitch like this. Next stitch slip stitch, in next stitch slip stitch and 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, double triple crochet in same stitch. Two chain, make a little purl on top of it by slip stitch. Double triple crochet in same stitch. Two chain, little purl on top double triple crochet, same stitch, and 4 chain. Connect in same stitch by slip stitch. Like this. So I will complete this round by making total 7 petals all around this ring by using same method and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will cut the thread. I will use glue and fix this extra thread. Now I will apply starch. I will shape. Here is our big flower and I already made a small flower as like a earring by using same method. So I will attach it over big flower like this. So I will use glue. Now I will attach it here, and in center of flowers I will use silver beads. Here is our flower. Now we will make leaves. So start with chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now skip first chain, in second chain slip stitch, in next chain single crochet, in next stitch half double crochet, in next stitch double crochet, in next stitch double crochet, in next stitch half double crochet, in next stitch single crochet, and in next stitch slip stitch like this. Now again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip first chain, In next chain, slip stitch. In next chain, single crochet. In next chain, half double crochet. In next chain, 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 half double crochet. In next chain, single crochet. And in last chain, slip stitch. Now again we will make third leaf. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Skip first chain, next chain, slip stitch. In next chain, single crochet. In next stitch, half double crochet. In next chain, double crochet. In next stitch, double crochet. In next stitch, half double crochet. In next stitch, single crochet. And in last stitch, slip stitch. Now I will connect it to the fourth chain here, down to the first leaf, like this. Now in fourth chain I will make single crochet. In next chain, single crochet. In next chain, single crochet. In last chain, single crochet. Now I will cut the thread. Our 3 leaves are ready. Now I will apply starch. Now let it dry. Now we will make a base. Three chain, 1 double crochet in ring, 2 double crochet in ring. I will make total 12 double crochet all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my 12 double crochet and now connect it to the third chain by slip stitch. Pull matrix thread. Now we'll cut extra thread. Now I will paste my leaf on our base. this, and now I will paste it on our flower. Like this. Now I will attach jump ring on our base. Here are our pendant set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.